इस पिच में क्या रखा है, तेरा ही दर्द छुपा रखा है. मतलब ये कौन सा पिच है यार? Okay, she's gonna laugh at my singing, but point being कि मतलब that on regardless is one thing. यहाँ तो मतलब कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा है, चल रहा है, कब तक चलेगा?
बैक ब्रेकिंग, लेबोरियस, ग्रूलिंग. क्या 170 ओवर्स, 180 ओवर, कितने ओवर्स डाले आज?
हाँ 180 हो गए.
बॉल आफ्टर बॉल, ओवर आफ्टर ओवर, पूरा दिन ऐसे ही खत्म हो गया. बट अनबिलीवेबल यार. आई मीन, यू नो, दिस इज लाइक what are the adjectives you can come up with when it comes to this pitch? Placid, benign.
Yeah, it's
dull.
one of those days where news editors and copy editors look for these words. But I mean, 555 for 8. आपने 2 दिन बैटिंग की, आपको डिक्लेयर करने की
Should they
उम्मीद
have
नहीं.
declared?
I mean, you know, perhaps if they had not lost those 2 wickets and 2 balls to Ishant, you know, they might have, you know, I think Butler would have tonked it around a bit. You expect Archer, you know, Joke, he's not going to hang on for a long time, but you expect him to tonk the spinners. But forget the spinners, he never got there because the first ball imagine you're Archer, you're standing there for so many overs batted up, आपको एक ball मिलता है और आपने वो खेला नहीं. तो I mean, look. तो वन थिंग इंडिया के फेवर में है कि जितनी लंबी इंग्लैंड की पहली पारी जाएगी, that then reduces the chances of a result, and I think India would take a draw from here after 2 days in the field here.
But it was almost like the England players started from where they left off yesterday. बिल्कुल वैसा का वैसा ही था. Yes, Indian bowlers were bowling their heart out, but England had decided to attack the weaker link in the Indian bowling lineup, and that's exactly what they did today. Again, Nadeem and Sundar were the ones that Joe Root and Ben Stokes targeted. But Joe Root, yeah, Jamie, the guy is a run machine. I think the way he got to his 200 sort of was symbolic in how he approached the innings, but also the confidence that he now is carrying because of the kind of form he's in.
I mean, look, you talk about the kind of form he's in. The guy averages 67 since November 2019. This includes 3 double centuries और एक और क्या 186 in Sri Lanka. The man now in 3 consecutive test matches, 2 in Sri Lanka, 1 in India, has put up, you know, 2 double hundreds and nearly got a third one. And bilkul, I mean, the way that Joe Root batted on day 1 allowed someone like Dom Sibley to come into his own. Today, the platform of 263 that Ben Stokes walked out at, again, full credit for that to Joe Root. But then Ben Stokes was a calculated innings. He went, he played Ashwin, you know, with respect, like Joe Root had done on day 1. And then against Nadeem in particular, and then Washington Sundar. Sweep, reverse sweep, slog sweep down the track, inside out, you know. He himself, like Dom Sibley, will be ruining the fact that, you know, isko 100 kyun nahi mila is track pe. So yes, it was about Ben Stokes in the first session largely, and then, you know, Root didn't look like getting out. When he got out to Nadeem, he was like, yeah, ye kya ho gaya? Of course, we know from the stats that this is the highest score by a batsman in his 100th Test match, 218. Root has now become the 3rd highest run getter for England. That means that the country where Test cricket began, only 2 other batsmen have scored more runs than him. Unbelievable. What Joe Root's thinking is, I mean, he must be like, man, wow, this is the form that I've been waiting for.
Yeah.
But again, it could have been better.
But I just felt like other than Joe Root and the way Ben Stokes were batting, from the Indian perspective, the only thing to look out for in the first 2 sessions was Rishabh Pant behind the stumps. To be very honest, that's what got me going, because I mean, Jimmy, they've got to think a bit about the pitches that they're going to play on now in India. You know, after what we've seen, I know we've been spoiled in Australia. We all have been spoiled because of the pitches we saw in Australia, but come on, you've got to have a little more than what we. It's a second day. Yes, you saw some of the balls, you know, bouncing alarmingly, but too few for a second day pitch, too flat a pitch. Ishant Sharma. Got to talk about Ishant Sharma and what he has become in the last couple of years, and just 1 away from that elite club of 300 test wickets, Jamie. But in the 3rd session, after having been in the field for 170 overs, that was Ishant Sharma bowling his heart out.
Yeah. And he looked a bit stiff, especially in his first and second spells.
Yeah.
But then, to come back and to get your first wicket after, what was it, 23, 24 overs, something like that, a lot of overs. Again, you have to keep in mind that he's also playing his first match in over a year. Did not go to Australia because of that injury. Of course, there was the whole gap because of the pandemic. But to come back here, he looked a bit stiff, but he never lacked in discipline, in intensity. And to find himself on a hat trick so late in the day,
that's true.
Unfortunately, he didn't get it. But he will get to 300, if not in this match, then in this series. The third fast bowler after Kapil Dev and Zaheer Khan to do so whenever he gets there. Hats off to him. He was the leader of this attack in many ways. So we saw Bumrah also bowled some very good balls, of course, but he had some no ball issues. Overall, yeah, I mean the best. No balls पे भी आएंगे बहुत सारे no balls and that stat which you pointed out that since the new rule in August 2020 came about, जहाँ से third umpire जो है वो front court no balls call करेंगे. अनोइंग तो है यार, वो पा वाला साउंड जो आता है, हम सब देख रहे हैं यार घंटी बजी, फोन था, क्या था वो. But once we got used to it, and then we did some digging. What ESPN Cricket Post said that 50 no balls have been bowled by spinners. Which the question, has it been happening earlier but it's not been spotted? Ashwin, having bowled over apparently 20,000 deliveries across 75 test matches, has never bowled a front foot no ball until today. उन्होंने आज 2 डाले. कुछ तो है इसमें देखने वाली.
नदीम ने भी कितने डाले?
नदीम ने 6-7 डाले आज.
ओवरऑल इंडिया के शायद 11 थे. आई एम नॉट
तो वही बात है, नो बॉल्स, कोहली losing all three reviews, and then रोहित शर्मा का वो कैच, जो डेनली मोमेंट, माइक गैटिंग मोमेंट, but इंडिया के चांसेस आए, but they just could not make the right calls about them. Bad day for India.
Bad day for India, and it was a hard day. And again, at the end of the day, you just wonder what is it that the Indian bowlers could have done differently. And frankly, we again are sitting here saying, not much, I mean, those guys were really tired and they were still trying. I thought that, yes, we knew this is what happened on the first day as well with Washington Sundar and Shahbaz Nadeem as well. But the others were bowling well, and I mean, yes, Jadeja was missed, all of that, but there's nothing that they could have really done differently in this.
On this track, I mean, look, like we said yesterday, no one has bowled badly. किसी ने कोई खराब गेंदबाजी नहीं की. But the way that Ben Stokes, he targeted Nadeem in particular. In the end of the day, Nadeem has a few wickets to show. But कितना ही करते ना, वही है कि अगर उन्होंने जल्दबाजी में at least 2 of the 3 reviews had they not lost. Because of Virat Kohli's decision making, they would have got Josh Butler was caught behind of Sundar late in the day, but आपके पास review नहीं थे. और फिर Dom Best जो कि अच्छे खेलने में है, उनको रोहित शर्मा ने, मतलब probably the easiest catch रोहित शर्मा would put down in his test career, ये वाला. Yeah, but beyond that, इतना कुछ गलत. You gotta feel bad for Sundar यार, मतलब इतने ओवर डालने के बाद
एक आपने nick induce करी, that
review नहीं था आपका,
that the umpire didn't give, and then a catch being dropped off his bowling. So yeah, बहुत ज़्यादा. It really, you feel bad for bowlers on days like this where they've just done and bowled their heart out. They've gone and bowled their heart out, but nothing has come of it. But now, what do you think? Where is the test match headed?
Look, England obviously in charge. They've crossed 550. लग रहा है कि वो जल्दी आउट होंगे या डिक्लेयर ही करेंगे. लेकिन 2 दिन बैटिंग करने से मैं वही बात वापस दोहराना चाहूंगा कि आपने अभी रिजल्ट के कम चांसेस अभी आपके पास हैं because of the amount of time batted. Normally, across the world, when teams get to this 550 position, they normally either push for 600 or they declare with about 9, 10, 12 overs to get the other team in, have a crack with the new ball. यहाँ पे चेन्नई में ये नहीं हुआ है, which means they just really want to bat once and then back their bowlers. Ben Stokes said after the day's play, tomorrow we're going to have to bowl a lot of overs. We're going to have to be patient. We're going to also struggle on this track. But it all depends how India end up batting. It could be कि India भी जाके 500 रन बनाए. I think India का objective में वही रहेगा कि देखो हमें कुछ जल्दबाजी में हमें विकेट्स नहीं खोना है. हमें भी 500 तक करना है, जो कि बिल्कुल पॉसिबल है with the batting that India possesses on this flat benign track.
जैसे पहले वाले मैच में, इससे पहले जो यहाँ पे मैच खेला था इंग्लैंड इंग्लैंड के साथ इंडिया ने, तो उसमें 700 के ओवर
Correct,
रन्स
correct,
बनाए थे.
correct,
करुण
correct.
नायर, somebody will have to play that role.
बिल्कुल,
Because the pitch is
आपको-
still good
बिल्कुल.
for you to go out there and score.
तो वो ये सवाल
So-
ये है कि आपका जो रूट कौन है, आप में से कौन 200 मारेगा. मैंने कल कहा था कि माय गट फीलिंग इज पंत will get a platform the way that Ben Stokes got the platform. He will have a field day against Dom Bess and Jack Leach. That's my gut feeling. But बिल्कुल किसी ना किसी इंडियन बल्लेबाज को 200 मारने पड़ेंगे. और अभी क्या है, यहाँ से जीत इंडिया के लिए तो नामुमकिन है मेरे ख्याल से ऑलमोस्ट. And unless England, they collapse on day 5, but आपके पास वही जडेजा नहीं है. A match which will probably end in a
हो
draw.
तो कुछ भी सकता है.
हो सकता है.
आजकल जैसा हम देखते आए हैं.
देखा है ऑस्ट्रेलिया में. But
yeah.
yes, all in all, a draw, the likely result. क्या होगा इंडिया का हाल हम देखेंगे कल day 3 पे. Be back with us on Cricket Fables. Like, share, subscribe. We will be reviewing day 3 tomorrow, same time. Do come back.
Bye.